大家好，我是中文老师 Sophie，我是土生土长的中国人，我喜欢中国文化、语言和文学，并乐于将它们传播给世界各地的好朋友们。我的学生很喜欢和我上课，我的课堂轻松有趣，教学内容丰富实用。我不仅仅是你的中文老师，更是你的好朋友。Hello, guys. I'm Sophie, a Chinese teacher from Hebei China. I'm a native Chinese speaker.And can speak Mandarin, English, and a bit of Japanese. I graduated from Jilin University. I have rich experience in teaching Chinese. Now I'm teaching several international students from Arab countries online. We use HSK series textbooks. I love a lot of things like reading, cooking, traveling.I really like talking with different people from different culture background, and I can be friends with anyone. If you are interested in Chinese culture, I can tell you the Chinese customs, the famous tourist attractions, all the stories, etc. Besides this, I can teach paper cutting, a very interesting old art. I'm patient.My greatest passion is to help you guys to build your own language system from zero to advanced level. Then learning Chinese could be easy and fun. Okay, I can't wait to have class with you. Please book my trial lessons quickly.